So when it comes to neck pain can really suck and ruin your day or week if it's severe enough. Now, with neck pain, you really want to take it easy and not go too deep like some other body parts such as the glutes or quads or hamstrings. And that's mainly due to the fact that if you go too deep, it could actually irritate some of the tissues in there and then just make things worse. And then it's a cycle of you trying to massage the area and then mitigate some of the pain that you have or reduce some of the pain, and then not working out, and then you going back to massage and making it worse. So take it easy on the neck. And secondly, try and breathe through some of the movements. You really want to activate that parasympathetic rest and digest part of your nervous system, and that's really going to allow it to kind of just reduce that tension that we're going for here. And then what you really want to try and aim for is to kind of breathe and have a conversation with your nervous system. So really try and motivate it or go through movements that don't cause that much pain, right? So like, let's say if this is painful, you just move back just a little bit, and then you just go through that little range of motion that you have, and not convincing your brain every time you move your neck to the right that it's gonna be painful, right? You really want to try and create that trust with your nervous system. So going that little bit and then going a little further and then going a little further over time is really going to be helpful. Now, the first thing we're going to do here is just get on the floor and get our foam roller on that suboccipital area. So I'll show you here. It's going to be right on here. So if your hairline is here, it usually resides right above the hairline or right on the hairline, all right? And then once you find that spot, put yourself on the foam roller and just roll your neck up and down. Now, this is gonna be really intense if you do have some tension there, but really try and take your time and just inhale and then exhale as you move your neck up and down, all right? Now, the second move is going to be just getting into a cobra position and moving your neck left and right, all right? So you really wanna just go with like little micro movements in the beginning if you're really irritated. Otherwise, try and peek all the way to your right ankle, or try and peek all the way to your left ankle and really try and move your neck to its full range of motion. Even include a little bit of that spine in there if you have to. No big deal. Now, the reason why I'm not promoting any stretching with the neck is specifically because sometimes we overstretch the neck, and overstretching a neck can be quite shitty if you ask me. Once you overstretch the neck, it can irritate things again, right? So I think just promoting movement and getting a little bit of massage and blood flow into that area is gonna be a little safer and more effective during a longer period of time. So if you do it, three days a week or 4 days a week just to release some tension, I think that's gonna be better off than you just trying to stretch it out 4 days a week. Not saying that stretching is not effective. However, I do think if you were to massage it and promote some movement in the neck, that's gonna give you a lot better results. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Take care, peace out.